Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Salesforce to Monday.com for pipeline project tasks step by step clearly. To connect Salesforce to Monday.com for pipeline project tasks, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the app launcher and search for Salesforce App Manager. In the App Manager, click on New Connected App in the upper right corner. Fill in the required fields including the connected app name and the API name. Scroll down to the API, Enable OAuth Settings section and check the box to enable OAuth. In the callback URL field, enter the URL provided by Monday.com or your custom URL. Add the necessary OAuth scopes, such as access and manage your data and perform requests on your behalf. Save the connected app and take note of the consumer key and consumer secret generated. Next, log into Monday.com and go to your workspace. Click on your profile picture in the bottom left corner to access the account settings. Select Integrations from the menu. Search for and select the Salesforce integration option. Click on Connect Salesforce. A prompt will appear requesting your Salesforce credentials. Enter your username and password. Authorize the connection by granting permission to Monday.com. Once connected, choose the specific Salesforce objects you want to sync with Monday.com. Map the fields from Salesforce to the corresponding fields in your Monday.com board. Customize notification settings as needed to manage updates effectively. Test the integration by creating a sample record in Salesforce and checking if it appears in Monday.com. Review and adjust any configurations to improve your workflow as needed. Finally, monitor both platforms to ensure that everything operates smoothly and as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.